Hello everyone and welcome to the video. Today we're going to talk about how to flip and rotate images in Pygame, so let's get into it. Now all I've done here is to create my game window and my main loop, and I've also loaded my image and stored it in this variable, and then I scaled it. Now this function basically draws the image onto the screen, and the reason I've done this inside of a function is just to organize my code better. So instead of just having a bunch of variables just scattered all over the place, I have it all in here, so I know exactly where it is. So it isn't as confusing. So this is what the image looks like for now. Now I want to flip the image upside down. So to do that, I would just write robot equals pygame.transform flip, and this is going to take in 3 parameters. First, the image I want to flip, which would be robot. And then if I want to flip it along the horizontal axis, which I don't, so false. And then if I want to flip it along the vertical axis, which I do. And now if I run this code, the image is upside down. So that's how you flip images. Pretty simple. Now this only flips it upside down, but if you want to rotate them at a certain angle, you can also do that. So in that case, you would write robot equals pygame.transform, like so, dot rotate, and this is going to take in 2 parameters: the image I want to rotate and the angle I want to rotate it at. So I want to rotate it at a 45 angle, 45 degree angle. So now if I run this code, it's going to be rotated at a 45 degree angle. And lastly, if you want the image to continuously rotate, you can create a variable called spin. So I'm going to do that up here, and then make that the angle of rotation, so spin. And lastly, you would increase spin in here, so spin plus equals 1. And what happens here is that the variable spin is going to increase by every iteration of this main loop, and the image is going to continuously rotate. So now, as you can see, the rotation is kind of weird. It's not rotating from the center, it's rotating from the top left. So if you want to fix that, you have to create a rectangle around the image and rotate it from the center of that rectangle. So to do that, you would just write robot rect equals pygame, equals robot dot get rect. And then inside of here, you would write center equals, and then I want the center of this rectangle to be roughly in the middle of my game window. My game window is 650 by 650, so I want it to be 650 divided by 2, so like that. And then I want to blit, well actually I want to blit it, not, instead of blitting it from these coordinates, I want to blit it from robot rect. And there you go. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks way better. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like and subscribe to support the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.